From what they have said so far, I think that it is too harsh a decision to take at this point.
This is Manfred Studios. Please subscribe and share. Yeah, Makwaba the Manfred Studios. You best subscribe and share. Ediamai. Adofo we de yensema e koso Ghana e gentre ha e wo Ghana na ye de ho update de bremu ye deputy minister or attorney general deputy minister na oko news fa wa breaking ye maybe down ye pese de bremu na mo so motiase e fa kenoforata issue e koso Ghana ho oni ASP ansensemi according to him no also no de say declaration na ASP na ba making e too harsh, you understand. Now, besides, Uferata any ASP no homu even though se woni hono no, the lawyers responded to every idea bia omo bi se film no bi anto no reading here I was say o declare no say o fugitive and if o declare say fugitive no I was omo international we see nyina kabum na omaye saa enema no e wo hono so ti de ono no epeso chere ne say onim de kuta ASP na o de make say declaration no. But according to him, whom say Adiano, I know say at this point, see, I know that you could between me, or bit me, I declare, into another dear, only ASP no dear bay. And the argument, make a video,
entirely is right to do so, but when he's invited and he doesn't want to participate in the process, he can also state that clearly that I am not interested in this. I think this is not, that is it. But for now, he has not said so.
The facts that have come to your attention so far, do you think that Kenoforata is being treated fairly?
I think when it comes to the declaration of his being a fugitive, I think from what the OSP has said, I believe there could have been a bit more of other steps before you declare such a person a fugitive. Being out of the jurisdiction and not being able to return within some time, and clearly from the letter, there's some willingness to participate in the process, and the period within which the communication took place, I think it's too short, and the tone of the communication, you could hardly say that the person is running away from justice. And I think that that could have been avoided. That could have been avoided in the process, but it has happened. And that's why I said that. You
fault their judgment when they say from everything they have pieced together, he simply doesn't want to come.
Well, they've told us the things they've pieced together, unless there's something that they've not told us. But from what they have told us so far, there is clear evidence. I mean, the letters we have seen, the OSP's own speech, and the period within which they have asked for him to come, and the reason for his not coming, which is medical. I don't think that the medical reports would be necessary at this point, because if someone travels out of the country, okay, and is going for medical, procedures or examination or whatever, and you don't expect him to publish the details of that to the OSP at this point, but that is why there could have been further communication or further engagements on the matter. Then you are sure that the person is really a fugitive, because to declare someone a fugitive, like I said, it's quite a serious matter. And
except that we don't know what intelligence they have, is it unfair? Is it grounds is it sufficient grounds when they do you find that they appear to have sufficient ground to say his response suggests indeterminate situation, that well, I don't know. I don't know when I'll be available. I don't know.
Maybe let me explain what it means to declare someone a fugitive. When you declare someone a fugitive, you are engaging the international community to help bring that person to justice at home. What it means is that other law enforcement agencies elsewhere are authorized to what? Apprehend the person and ship the person back home. And I'm saying that you cannot engage the international community in this regard based on the facts that they've put out. Well, if they have something which is not out, but which they took into account, then we can say that we are not aware. But from what they have said so far, I think that it is too harsh a decision to take at this point. Because, I mean, fugitive from justice is a serious matter. Let's accept that.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.